Today we'll discuss some of the rules and concepts behind this constant keyword. Let's dive into more detail. Like this constant keyword is used to define some variable where once the value is assigned we cannot change it. It will remain the constant forever. So, but is it possible to declare this constant as and not initialize any values? Unfortunately not. This will lead to a syntax error, missing initializer in constant declaration. So you must remember that whenever you declare a variable or constant, you must initialize in the same line. Like, is it possible to declare two times? So no, the identifier name is already been declared, so you cannot declare two times. And again, once you initialize some values, you cannot change the values again. This is the fundamental concept behind the constant keyword. Like assignment to constant variable is not possible. There is one interesting concept. Like inside this hype function, we define this constant name as Rosen. But can we access this name before we declare it? So this is also lead to a reference error. Cannot access name before initialization. But if you use a where keyword, you can access, but it will be printed as undefined. Let's see some code in the action. Like once we declare like as, it should lead to missing initializer in the constant declaration. So, but if you define a variable like constant name, it will valid. But if you try to repeat it again, name has already been declared. So if you try to, let's comment this out and we assign to some other values. Oh, it is complaining about this. Assignment to constant variable is not possible. And finally, inside this high function, we trying to access this name before even it is accessing. So it is also not possible. Let's show some error. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.